I can make some music better than my idols. I can make a video and make that viral. I could be the protagonist with my eyes closed. So if you wanna take a pic with me, it's vital. Cause I'ma make some music better than my idols. And I'ma make a video and make that viral. And I'm the protagonist, say it with my eyes closed. So take a pic with me and do it now. Cause I might go, 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 I might go.
Do I have your attention? Do I, oh my, do I have your attention? Do I have your attention? Do I have your, what?
I be a little bit off the juice sometimes. Dress up and get in the group sometimes. Just so I can be a little goof sometimes. Ruin the whole mood too many times. I guess that I could be a little douche sometimes. Remind me why people hang around. I fess up, my first impression might miss. My close friend told me I'm a dick. Sick, I need a little juice sometimes. Feeling myself, I'm menaging it. Got paid 100K, you deposited. Make character, energy, a lot of it. I'm a little oblivious element. I'm supposed to believe in myself in a dream no one else can believe. But the lesson you need when you're out of your teens, it's not about me. Dang. Let me just say it. You know what a way to phrase it. I'm a whole betty, no basic. I'm a whole moon, just face it. Let me just say it. You know what a way to phrase it. I know it's not about me. Let me just say it. You know what a way to phrase it. I'm a whole betty, no basic. I'm a whole moon, just face it. Let me just say it. You know what a way to phrase it. I know it's not about me.
Dang, the weather is so nice today.
That's funny.
No, seriously, it's such a nice day for a nice little boardwalk walk.
No, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about that guy over there. See that guy over there with the sign that says, take pic with me before I'm famous?
What a loser, man.
I'll bet he probably, like, mains Ness in Super Smash Bros.
Who is that guy anyway?
Honestly, probably a nobody.
Hello, everyone. My name is Charlie Curtis Beard, but you guys, you can call me CCB if you'd like, or you can call me Charlie. A lot of you might not know me, and that is okay, because I'm here to introduce myself to you. But while we're doing the show tonight, our job is to have a lot of fun, right? So what we're going to try today is when I do this, you guys are going to put your hands up like that, okay? Everyone in the audience, all right? So we're going to give it a shot together, all right? So let me introduce myself to you. Hit it, Mama Monkey. Let's go.
I'm a nobody, antisocial extrovert, I don't know nobody. Social anxiety, the worst, I'm a homebody. Guess I'm still trying to find my worth as a nobody. No. Tiny apartment I'm living, artist I'm independent. Nobody asking for my opinion, so I just mind my business. I'm no big shot like a buzzer beater, no celebrity or their cousin either. My house need a heater, my studio need an eater, my lot need a two-seater, but I'm a nobody. Antisocial extrovert, I don't know nobody. Social anxiety, the worst, so I'm a homebody. Someone might telling me my worth, I won't get hurt, it can't get worse. No one converse with me, the girls of being nobody. My day for get ignored by a label. Try to relax and kick my chair back and break my seat at the table. Fluctuate every day, all deprecate, self-enable. Spin in place like a Drado. Want to get tons of plays and break the game like Play-Doh, but I'm a nobody. Antisocial extrovert, I don't see nobody's. Social anxiety, the worst, so I'm a homebody. Guess I'm still trying to find my worth. That's a nobody. No, nobody. Oh my, people are checking on me, but I'm bad at responding. If you're out of sight, then you're out of mind. That's the ADD in my body. See, friendships start and end and come and go too often in my life. So how the fuck are you supposed to make friends after 25? These numbers falsely paint my life as worth the time and sacrifice, when truly teas are nice or truly overpriced. I like to prove myself, get likes, but social media figure like my paradise. So before I die, I write till everybody ear on fire like they fighting Mike Ty, and I'm not a nobody.
sorry because you said no. Buddy, you're letting on your fragile masculinity show.
That is the guy from TikTok. Oh my god, he's famous.
I got TikTok too. It doesn't make me famous. How many followers has he got?
Like I said, my name is Charlie Curtis Beard. I just introduced myself to you, but where do you know me from? Where might you know me from? I'm actually on TikTok. Do you guys know that app, TikTok? It's kind of cool. I have a big TikTok. It kind of goes like this. It goes like, you called her a hoe because she said no, buddy. You're letting on your fragile masculinity show. I mean, dude, she's just not into you, right? That's me. I'm on the app. I've been on there for a few years now, and I did something really cool recently on the app. Mama Monkey, hit it. I'm gonna tell her what I did.
I hit a milli on the clock gap. I ride along the PCH and throw the top back. I need a pretty in the passenger who tops that. And if she get an attitude, then she go walk back. Stop that. Shh, don't talk back, cause it's the type of sound that freaking bring pop back. Leave it on repeat and treat it like a TikTok track. It's a tip-top track, I'm famous, I can talk that talk. Oh my, I'm a certified self-made baddie and I'm well paid. I ain't really taking L since I moved to LAC. Well, that must mean there must be something in the water. There must be something in the water. There must be something in the water. There must be something in the water.
Been selling with my moves. Nah, I ain't just talk. And everything I do, yeah, got that sauce from my shirt to my socks, from my to my thoughts. Something in the water tastes expensive like my ride. A million in my phone and a billion in time. They say I be getting ball, now it's already
I've
mine.
never been a fan of social media, cause people faking switching from conceding to making up rumors and putting lies on Wikipedia. But no one wants to give you money if you don't have meaning. So I'm standing up and I can see the stars just like anemia. Still a nerd watching TV, I never smoke a sativa. I'd rather keep it easy, never see me low-key like Sylvia. But now I'm obsessing over likes at home alone, hoping videos blowing up from my phone. There must be something in the
Champagne VIP, tripping with the Ivy Park with the blue check mark on my IGC. That's what it means to be a
certified self-made baddie and I'm well paid. I ain't really taking L since I moved to LAC. Well, that must mean there must be something in the water. There must be something in the water. There must be something in the water. There must be something in the water.
There must be something in the
Alright, so this is my first time like in virtual reality, and this is certainly my first time performing in virtual reality, so this is cool, seeing everybody here hanging out. Okay, so I don't really know how this works, but like in real life at my shows, we like to jump up and down. We like to have a lot of fun, right? We like to dance. So like if you're up for it and you have the space at home, I want to see you guys boogie a little bit. I want to see you dance and jump around with me, or you could just use your avatar to jump like this. That's totally fine. All right, you guys ready? This next song's about to be so much fun. Let's get it. Hit it, Mama Monkey.
He was impressed by the loveliness of her hair, her delicate mouth.
Oh, that's music to my ears.
Oh my! She's only into me cause I'm famous, but she don't know what that means. Need a ruby to feel like a queen, pretty and petty, but hey, that's okay with me. Immaculate energy with the way she's always moving to the beat. And I'm moody with them on the swings, pretty and petty, but hey, that's okay with me. Alright, oh my, I really just got verified. Now she all in my DMs like Carpe Diem is an everyday part of her life. Wait a minute, I think she believing that I'm like an actual kind of celebrity. She assuming that CCB easily giving out VVS's that are ebony. Not really, I'm not there yet. Let her believe in the myth like Yeti. Need a good head but her head like Eddie. Tell her we can get it poppin' like confetti. Keep one eye on her like Betty. Wop, she wop when the camera ready. All expectations are fabrications, I'll entertain it cause she pretty and petty, oh my. She's only into me cause I'm famous, but she don't know what that means. Need a ruby to feel like a queen, pretty and petty, but hey, that's okay with me. Immaculate energy with the way she's always moving to the beat. And I'm moody with them on the swings, pretty and petty, but hey, that's okay with me. Is she the petty one cause she only wanna mention? Or am I the petty one cause I'm liking the attention? Tell me how much clout will be enough. Girl, you got me rich with all the love, yeah. Is she the petty one cause she only wanna mention? Or am I the petty one cause I'm liking the attention? Tell me how much clout will be enough. Girl, you got me rich with all the love, yeah. She's only into me cause I'm famous but she don't know what that means. Need a ruby to feel like a queen, pretty and petty but hey, that's okay with me. Immaculate energy with the way she's always moving to the beat. And I'm moody with them on the swings, pretty and petty but hey, that's okay with me. She's only into me cause I'm famous but she don't know what that means. Need a ruby to feel like a queen, pretty and petty but hey, that's okay with me. Immaculate energy with the way she's always moving to the beat. And I'm moody with them on the swings, pretty and petty but hey, that's okay with me. You see what you see online and think you would love my life, but can't really read between the lines.
So the cool thing sometimes about being a rapper is that I can like kind of do whatever I want and I don't really have a boss, so like that's fun. And the cool thing about that is that I could like paint my nails whatever color I want, and I wish that you guys could see my nails are painted in real life, but you know, you just have to take my word for it. So I wrote a banger about painting your nails, and we're gonna dance to it right now. Hit it, Mama Monkey.
Make green to match my money, okay. I drink my Trulies till my vision fuzzy, okay. I keep my jewelry dripping just like honey on mine, and I just do me, don't care. You don't want me, I just do it for that tiny little fan base I'm rocking with, and these rapping niggas I'm popping with, and we coming out of the blue like a kaiju and blowing up from her TikToking in. I'd like to flex is decent. How these extra checks from Netflix feed me? Cartoon Net is boosting my net worth. I might got me a visa. Go to Europe with violet nails and amethyst up in my dreadlocks, and turn right around with these white people reaching to touch up my hair. Can you please not? Got people begging me to please drop for my music. They dying like pink socks, and I don't need a million. I just need a million fans that'll give me $1 or 3 tops. Yo, my
can be a little more than enough till I get stuck in euphoria. Self-made million, my hands what I want.
Yeah, I don't need much. That is something I can touch. Got the nails make green to match my money, okay. I drink my Trulies till my vision fuzzy, okay. I keep my jewelry dripping just like honey on mine, and I just do me, don't care. You don't want me, I just do it for the nails make green to match my money, okay. I drink my Trulies till my vision fuzzy, okay. I keep my jewelry dripping just like honey on mine, and I just do me, don't care. You don't want me, I just do it for the
self-care need a little more than enough till I get stuck in euphoria. Self-made million, my hands what I want,
and I just do me, don't care. You don't want me, I just do it for the baddies, cause I could still take a girl. Just kidding, I'm too weird. Oh my.
What's up, everybody? I just want to dedicate this next song to all the anime fans out there. We like anime, right? Right? Make sure to watch One Piece. I'm fully caught up on One Piece. It's incredible right now, right? Alright, cool. So if you like anime and you're a weirdo and you want to dance with us, this next song's for you. I'm gonna welcome my friend Akintoye right here on stage with me. Everyone, make some noise. Alright, let's send it. You guys ready? Let's go, let's go!
What kind of vibes on a weekday? Gotta be anime Chardonnay. All I really rock with these days, gotta be anime Chardonnay. And I'm on fire like PK, and I can use like 3 breaks. So when I get a free day, gotta be anime Chardonnay, anime high. Wine glass, shatter free, barefoot like Monkey D, my sanity, won't be. At the EOD, I can use some sweet, living sweet like Zach and Cody. Yeah, when it's only me, need a little peach and a drink a little daisy. Now this here hot like Endeavor, caught in a cotton sweater in summer weather. I pop like the seed of an edamame at the summer like every target. I've been on fire like PK, and I can use like 3 bricks. So when I get a free day, gotta be anime, Chardonnay, anime high. A glass or 3, yeah. I feeling myself like Queen Bee, yeah. I'm feeling safe like I'm in one scene. Turn off my phone and say I still love these stats.
Especially to haters, how it works 7 days but underrated. Got a million on the clock, but I for jaded. Might disappear now, back in Toya, take it.
At any moment I can kick dope shit like Moray. Watch your step, your feet dragging a bit. They want to impress foes, I lean back at events, I'm ultra wild. If I do it, they all might ask me if I'm going to the after party. Spin a track and attack Bacardi. The FOMO don't hit, the jams a bit much. And Nietzsche gon' miss, put $1 in the bank, I wind down when the show done. New glass, I ain't make it through the old one. Too lost in the comfy clothes and crunchy road to let them be the ones to know me. Man, I've been on fire like PK.
And I can use like 3 bricks.
Run the weekend back on a replay.
Gotta be anime, Chardonnay, anime mine.
Okay, so hopefully we're all having fun. This is awesome. I'm gonna slow it down just a bit, but we're gonna have some fun with it. Maybe we could like all like wave our hands in the air with each other. I don't know. We can make it real cool. This could be a fun thing, right? Let's give it a shot. All right, hit it, Mama Monkey.
Right is good and desperate. Recreate your design. You're a peculiar sight, like rain in Pasadena. You can now all of me in the palm of your hands. Let your love rain on me. Let me feel something we cannot see. Baby, I feel something foreign. Feels like it is raining, raining Pasadena. I need you, well it's crazy. Loving you is unreal. Feels like it is raining, raining Pasadena. I need you. Oh my, writers couldn't get a second of your essence, even with the pen and paper. Okay, artists couldn't get your body, even if their hobby was drawing it there. Hey, you're in a class of your own, yeah. She sit on beauty like a throne, yeah. She age like fine wine. It's a mighty time to drink you up and let it breathe. Girl, I'm a matador, yeah, I'm ready for ya. Can't ignore ya, good lord. Every metaphor is a symbol for how much I adore ya. I can't believe that you loving me to pieces. I know it's freaking decent. Walking on beaches, need your body every season. Eating you up like I need it. All of me in the palm of your hands. Let your love rain on me. Let me feel something we cannot see. Baby, I feel something foreign. Feels like it is raining, raining Pasadena. I need you, well it's crazy. Loving you is unreal. Feels like it is raining, raining Pasadena. I need you.
Alright, everybody, the time has come to play the biggest song I have, which may not mean anything to everyone who's listening to me for the first time, but that's okay. We're gonna play the biggest song I have. That means we're all gonna dance together and act like you know it and act like you like me as an artist. It's gonna be so fun. Trust me, just go along with it, alright? Hit it, Mama Monkey, let's go!
Lollipop, lollipop,
Oh my.
lolly, lolly,
She the type of girl that life at the party. Close friends, Mary J and Molly. Top down, a convertible car. She probably prefer a Murcielago, sweeter than Lollipop. Every time the beat drops, she dancing and living free. Empathetic with no jealousy, just like Vanilla Beach. She's the main character, it's in her energy. Extra vanilla and all of her recipes. She like it sweet. She a vegan only during the week, but when it's the weekend, she wanting the lollipop.
Call my baby lollipop, tell you why. His kiss is sweeter than an apple pie. And when he does a shaky rock and dance, man, I haven't got a chance. I called him.
I'm the type I gotta like her. Sugar rush with every touch, I get hyper. Hyper when I feel the sweetness inside her. Cause she pop like Martinelli cider. Live in my head like a permanent tinted. A peppermint breath of fresh air. When kissing is never a doubt, cause I give it the benefit. Immature life, but at least she is living it. Every day is a cornucopia of colors and cravings, impeccable taste. She bring me up a piece I never could waste. I'm not at the beach, but I'm feeling the waves. A delicate thing, and more than I ever could please. But someone she wanted to be is a lollipop. Oh my.
Call my baby lollipop, tell you why. His kiss is sweeter than an apple pie. And when he does a shaky rock and dance, man, I haven't got a chance. I call him lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop.
Oh my.
Thank you guys. The time has come to do my last song. I just want to say thank you so much for hanging out with me. This is like the most interesting thing I've ever done in my life. It's the coolest I've ever felt in my life, for sure. But yeah, if you like the music and you want to check it out some more, you can listen to my Spotify at Charlie Curtis Beard, or you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok, Charlie Curtis Beard. You know, just remember the name, Charlie Curtis Beard, CCB. CCB, what? Okay, anyways, the point now is that we're gonna finish this set off with a song about liking yourself sometimes. So if you're like me, and you like yourself sometimes, and you like yourself sometimes, and you like yourself sometimes, then come on and dance with me. Let's get it. Hit it, Mama Monkey.
Sometimes I feel like I'm alright, like everyone who hates me is a idiot. Oh my, well only me, myself and that. I smell the hate, sharp nose like alright, sometimes I like it when I dance alone. Feel like the apple of my eye, I don't need an iPhone. Hit a pose, I'm a flex, feeling like Tybo. It's only I'm rising higher than dough. Sometimes I think my personality is popping off, popping like Prosecco, Amaretto, and all the I sometimes adore this gorgeous. I gotta love myself cause no one else is in orbit. Oh my. Just got me and that's alright. I don't have lots of things to like. I just got me. It might seem crazy, but I like myself. Sometimes me, myself, and I like it better when I like myself. Sometimes I can do it. Desperté con ganas de quererme a mí. No sé qué decir. En el espejo veo a alguien más feliz. Hoy me gusto a mí. Okay, sometimes I feel like I can make it, right? Like I'm a beast when I speak, motivated. Eyes on the prize if I keep setting the bar high. I can crush all of my haters like the Pixar eye. Okay, cheer. Anime and Chardonnay vibes, put on a fit that I like. I'm sharp like canines when I ignite. Every hour in the room daytime. I like myself, you can hear through the grapevines. Okay, oh my.
No quiero perder mi tiempo más. Ya voy a cambiar mi forma de pensar. Cansado de estar deprimido, se me va iluminando el camino. Me siento totalmente agradecido. Me desperté con ganas de quererme a mí. No sé qué decir. En el espejo veo a alguien más feliz. Hoy me gusta.
I dance alone because I like myself. things collide. It's just that me.
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Somebody bring me my dragon. Let's go. Let's get on out of here. You've been such a pleasure. Oh my gosh, look at me. I'm about to be on. Yep, look at me. Oh my gosh. Remember, I'm Charlie Curtis Beard. I'm the rapper who has a guitar and is flying off on a dragon. This is insane. This is crazy. Goodbye, everybody. Thank you. I will not be playing Freebird tonight. But guess what? I still love you. I love you and you and you and you and you. And I'm on a dragon and my dreams came true. This is amazing. Goodbye, goodbye. How long do you need me to talk for?